This is really frustrating for many of the Python developers. Let's say you have been asked to remove all the zeros from the list. This is the list we have and we want to remove all the zeros from the list. Basically what we will do is we will just go over all the list. We will use the for loop here, and then if the number is 0, then we are using a remove functions to remove the elements, and then we are just printing the numbers. So if you execute the program, it is expected that we should get the list without any zero. But after executing the function, you can see that there is still 1 0, and this is really frustrating, and this question has been asked in many interviews as well. Why this happens? Let's consider the same element 2 3 0 1 0 0. The index of the element 2 is 0, the index of 3 is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Now we are using the for loop. We are traversing each elements in the numbers, and we are checking if the number is 0. If it is 0, we are using the remove functions. So when we have a 2 here, we are just going to keep that 2 as it is. When we come to the second element, we will keep as it is. When we come here, we have 0, so we are going to remove this element. So if we remove these elements, the list will become 2 3 1 0 0. So this is the list. So if we remove the 0 from this list, we will get the 2 3 0 1 0. Now what happened is, we have already traversed 0, we already traversed index 1, we already traversed index 2. Now we are going to traverse the third element, and this is 0. So we are just going to remove this element. The list will become 2 3 1 0. Now we already have traversed the element 3, we are going to traverse the 4th, but there is no 4th element and there is no 5th element. So the final output will be 2 3 1 0. So we should always avoid using the remove functions inside the for loop, or if it is really required, then you should have to be very cautious. For more such important tips and tricks like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.